Hey there, today I show you how to block website using Hostfile like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. First of all, open your notepad by run as administrator. Then open Hostfile from C, Windows, System32, drivers, then etc. Now select all file type, open Hostfile, then copy this IP and paste here. Then type website URL like Facebook, YouTube, com, Twitter.com, then save and close the window. Then reopen browser and search Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.